Immaculate. Hi, Sian. Good evening. How are you tonight?
How are you tonight, Dad? I feel super califragilisticexpialidocious.
Wow. Alright. Wala ka pala itong award para wala ka pala sa meaning ato. Okay, your question will be coming from our judge number 2.
Hello, candidate number 5. I really love your confidence.
Oh, thank you, Mom. You are my idol.
So your advocacy talks about social media. My question is, what is your opinion on the role of social media in shaping public opinion? Again, what is your role or what is your opinion on the role of social media in shaping public opinion?
Thank you for that question, ma'am. Nowadays, we are having our sophisticated technical installation, and most of us, we misconstrue social media. And I think it is a very disheartening idea. In my opinion about social media and publics, I think that we misconstrued it. I am standing here today, not just a beauty queen, but also an advocate for social media. I want to ameliorate, to aid my people to use social media responsibly so that negativity won't grow and foster. Because I believe that with this advocacy, we can conquer any obstacles and achieve greatness. I am here today to inspire, advocate, ameliorate, and of course, aid. Thank you so much.